All right, hey guys, got a super exciting new product. Camera brackets, in-car, roll cage mount. Something that I've found very difficult to find a good quality one at a reasonable price. I've come up with this little concept. It's got the full fixed clamp. It'll come with different size rubbers for different size roll cages. Most common for all our cars, most cars I see is 38mm, which is 1.5 inch. And that fits on there nice and snug, as you'll see by the pictures. Fully adjustable in 3 aspects, full rotate, everything. Nice little camber lock so you can get it nice and tight and ensure that it won't move. The other super exciting part is with our cars, we run a front and rear camera. So we get the footage from both angles. Now we've also come up with the design concept of this little simple bracket here, which bolts up into the original factory sort of spots on there. It doesn't take any fixing other than simply just hook it on, a little wing nut with a clamp, and happy days. Again, it comes with a GoPro fixed mount bracket on there as well. So yeah, another simple, awesome product. Something that we try and make this sort of stuff really easy for everybody. So yeah, take a look, and if you've got any questions about the product or anything, please let me know.